Have you ever seen artwork that explodes with color? Art that makes you feel like you've been transported to another world? That's the magic of Yayoi Kusama, the Japanese artist who became famous for polka dots, pumpkins, and infinity. But Kusama's art is more than just something fun to look at. It's a journey into her imagination, her struggles, and her love for the world. Born in 1929, Kusama grew up in Japan during World War II. Surrounded by chaos, destruction, and hard work, she found solace in nature and art. She drew pictures of polka dots everywhere, on paper, windows, even herself. Dots, she said, made her feel safe and whole. As Kusama grew older, she moved to New York City, the art capital of the world. There she joined a group of wild and wacky artists who challenged the rules. Kusama filled galleries with polka-dotted rooms, mirrored hallways, and giant inflatable sculptures. People walked through her art, becoming part of it. But Kusama's life wasn't all sunshine and polka dots. She struggled with mental health issues when she returned to Japan, but she continued to create amazing art while treating her illness. Her infinity rooms, filled with endless reflections of lights and dots, became her most famous works. Stepping inside feels like floating through a dream. Kusama never stopped experimenting. She made giant pumpkin sculptures, painted colorful portraits, and even wrote novels. Today, she's still creating art that inspires people around the world. So next time you see a polka dot, remember Yayoi Kusama, the artist who turned her dots into a sensation. Her art reminds us to see the world differently, to embrace our imaginations, and to find joy in the most unexpected places.